everybody, so today's video is going to be my first Ipsy unboxing, so making sure this is not the site of my address. I have never unboxed an Ipsy before. I've never unboxed a beauty mystery box or subscription box, excuse me, mystery, well it is a mystery sometimes, a subscription box before. But I'm really excited that I have this to show you guys today. The only reason I got this was for Bailey Sarian's palette. That's the only reason. So I'm not sure if I'm going to continue my subscription with them because I only got it for that palette. But we'll see after I'm done unboxing this if I'm going to go ahead and do September. We'll see. Because it's $25 plus $2 tax, so 27 bucks a month. But then like you can pick 3 things in the Glam Bag Plus, which is what I got. So I don't know, it might be worth that $27, but we'll see. I just hope nothing's broken in here because with my luck everything always ends up broken. Yeah, alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this bitch. Okay, alright, so I just hope nothing's broken. Yeah, so okay, wait a minute. Okay, I've been seeing people get their palettes on the outside of the bag. I don't see anything in here other than the bag. So let's hope that that everything's good. I feel the palette. Yeah, alright, so it's inside. Good. Whew, that's the only reason I got this, so and I hope the palette's not broken. But okay, let's go ahead and open this up. It's a cute bag. I've never gotten Ipsy, so I don't really have an opinion on like the bags of them changing them up or something. But it's a really cute bag, little drawstring bag to like take things to travel. But like, where the hell are you going right now, right? But let's go ahead and start. So the first thing I feel in here, I pretty much already know what's in here. Maybe forgotten a couple things, but I pretty much know what's in here. I picked 3 things. I was lucky enough to be like in that time frame to pick things. But everything else, I'm not too sure. Alright, so we have right here the Beauty For Real shadow sticks, and I don't usually use these like cream shadows. I don't usually use these, and the reason I don't have makeup on is I'm going to be putting some of these things on, so we're going to do like a try on part of the video, but I don't, oh, it just opens like that, cool. I don't usually use things like this, but I might be able to work them in, or let me see. Okay, that's kind of cute. What was that one called? This one's called Midnight Marathon, and then this one is called Ever Starstruck. Oh, this one actually looks kind of pretty. Alright, let's see. I don't know if you guys can really see that. But yeah, there you go, a little bit. I mean, the lighter one you can't really see that well, but I think everyone has seen these if you're watching all the unboxing videos. But they're cute, but I wouldn't use these. I don't think I would. So this is like okay, but I don't really use stuff like that, so I think I might go ahead and pass these on to someone. But that's cute. It's cute. Alright, next thing is the Ciate London, oh yeah, the powder, the Watermelon Burst powder. Now I've been hearing a lot that this is an exclusive somewhat to Ipsy because it's not available yet to purchase. This says translucent finish, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and delicately watermelon scented. And it's a setting powder, and I'm going to be using this today, so excited about that. Just making sure there's like nothing falling out of here. Let's go ahead and, oh, it's cute. It's a cute little package. You can see everything in the background. Oh, okay, good. It's not broken. Oh. You know what? That smells like watermelon candy. So it looks like that. Just a white powder. Let me see. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, wow. Oh, wait. That feels nice. And also a little bit cooling. Okay, I am really interested to try that. Oh, that's going to be exciting. Alright, so I'm going to be trying that. Wait a minute, that's got a little bit of shimmer in it. I don't know about that. Okay, we'll see. Alright, next thing in here is... Okay, yeah, I got the 1-1 Skin Cryo Booster. This is a serum that costs, I think, over $135. Let me go ahead and check. I know I haven't been saying the prices of everything. What do we have? Okay, these are $38 for these that are together. And then the Ciate London powder is $28. And then this skin booster is $135. I would never, like, you would not catch me spending $135 on this. Now this is not Ipsy's fault. This is the brand's fault for charging this damn much. But like, what? It's a little medicinal smelling. But I don't know if I can use this like today. I don't know. So I'm gonna check that out because I don't want to be putting things in my face and then get a reaction. So I probably won't use this today. Then we have the In Beauty Project. Oh, this is the lip oil. I was really excited about this. This is what I picked. I picked the lip oil, the Ciate London powder, and the Beige Serum palette. You pick 3 items for the Ipsy Glam bag plus. And this is in Candy Apple. Ooh. Let's try that on right now. I do not have anything on my lips, so. Ooh, that's cute. Oh, that does smell like a candy apple. Wow. Oh, okay. That's a weird applicator. That is weird. Okay, let me try this on. All right. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I like that. I really like that. Ooh, and that tastes good too. But that's cool. I like this. And this I think is $15. Yeah, $15. But I like that. I like that a lot. I love lip things. I love like lipsticks, lip gloss, lip oils, just yes. So I'm excited about that. That is really cool. Alright, and then the last thing in here is a card. Don't give a shit about that. Is the palette. So let's pray that it's not broken. Okay, good. Good. Woo. Here it is, the Bailey Sarian palette with Estate Cosmetics. I love Bailey. I love her so much. I've been wanting to actually do videos like hers, like her murder mystery ones, except that I want to do like true crime, like paranormal ones on my channel. I want to see if I can do that. If I can do that soon. But yeah, I want to. Oh yes, it's not broken. Okay, here we go. Whoa. So here we go with the palette. Wow, that is really pretty, and I'm really excited to use this. Yeah, really excited. Oh, that's cool. So I'm gonna be using this palette today. So we got the palette, got a lip oil, we got the Ciate London powder, we got these shadow sticks, and then we got this skin booster. I really like everything that I got. The 2 things that I probably would not use is these and probably this. We'll see what happens with this. But other than that, everything else I'm excited about. I really like this lip oil. It's very like comfortable. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. So we're gonna get into the try on part of this video. This is probably gonna be a really long video, so if you don't like that, you can go ahead and go now. But if you wanna stay and watch me try on some of these things, we will go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so I'm glad that I caught that it was not recording while I already did this other eye. This was off camera, but I wanted to go ahead and do this eye on camera, and then I wasn't recording. So I'm glad that I just barely put down a little bit of the first color because I would have been so mad. But I was taking a brush and I was going in with Bonfire as my first color. And the base that I'm using is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I like it because it's a more dry base and it works for my eyes. I've tried a couple of regular eyeshadow primers and they don't do shit, so this one seems to work for me, so I'm gonna stick with it. But I'm putting this really pretty like pink color. I kind of wonder why it's called Bonfire considering it's pink, but yeah, Bailey, if you're watching, why did you call this Bonfire? Did she explain it in her video? I don't know. But I'm just going over my eye in the crease, up in here with this color. It's really pretty. It's really muted. I think I want to turn down the ISO just a little bit. Yeah, that might be a little bit better. And then I'm gonna go in with this color called Rose Tattoo right here. So I'm gonna go in with that. It's a really pretty like orange, like burnt orange shade. And I'm taking that right up in the crease, down here, and a little bit over here. This is a really pretty color. I think this one would have been more of a Bonfire color, to be honest, but still cute. I really like it. But I've been watching Bailey for a long time and I love her channel, and when I found out she was doing a collab, I've been waiting. I was like waiting for her to do like a Colourpop one, like a murder mystery, like Colourpop collection. Like I think that would be really cool. And then she did this and I was like, okay, well I'm getting it. And then I saw that they sold out on the actual estate website, but she said it was going to be in the Ipsy box, and I was like, oh, you know what, let me just go get the Ipsy box in, because it actually was cheaper than actually getting the palette on the website. But I went in with this one, and I'm going in with it a little bit more up here so that when I close my eyes, because I have hooded eyes, I can see the shade like that. And then I'm gonna go in with this dark brown called Toasty right here. Right up in here. Drag that this way, a little bit up in here. Not too far out that way. But I really like the whole like vibe it gave me. Though I did take this brush, and I did take a little bit of Venice Fling, which looks like a satin color right here. Almost looks black, but it's a really dark brown. And I just put it right up in here. Like that. Got the brush and then blended it out a little bit, just so that it added a little bit more darkness to this area. Yes. And then I went in with the Ocean Avenue shimmer shade as my lid color. And I use my finger. I always use my finger for shimmer shades. That's really pretty. I really like how that came out. Yeah. That's really, really nice. I really like that. Yeah. And then, same shade. Took it with this brush. This is a NYX brush that I don't think they make anymore. And I just took it and moved it into the inner corner, right up in here. And then, just because I wanted a little bit of extra, I did take my Ladybird from Colourpop and dip into that and add a little bit of that into the inner corner just to give it a little bit more of a lighter pop, but it works out really well, and I like it. But this is it. This is basically the look that I did. Really easy, pretty simple. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna try the Ciate London powder, and I'm really excited about that. So yeah, all right, we'll be right back. So now we're back and I have everything else done, and I'm going to be going in now with the, well, since I already tried the lip oil, you guys already saw what I thought about it, and it was really good. I went ahead and just put some nude lips on. I put the LA Colors High Shine lip gloss in Fresh. That's what it looks like, and it looks really good. And everything else that I have in my face will be listed below. And now we're gonna jump into this. I have no other powders on my face right now. Everything else is like cream and stuff like that. So we're gonna see how this works. So I'm excited about this. So I have my brush right here that I usually use for setting my makeup, and we're gonna go ahead and get some on here. That looks white. Ooh. All right, let's see what happens. And I'm using this to go over one side just to see if there's a difference. So, oh yeah, I see a difference. A little difference, but nothing like crazy. But it did set the makeup and everything. And there's a little bit of a sheen, but like it's not that bad. But it actually looks pretty good. Yeah, that's good. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of my face, and that's pretty much it. So this is the finished look basically. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys would like a video with just the Bailey Sarin palette, and I'll do a couple more looks with that. But other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time with another video. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and set this shit. Take a couple of pictures for Instagram, and then wash it off my face. Yeah.